What's up, people? Welcome back to Valvetronic. Now, behind us, 2017 Audi R8 V10. A couple of interesting things. We have been incredibly blessed with the success we've had with our new Audi R8 and Huracan F1 exhaust package. That non-valve system giving you that Gallardo LFA Carrera GT sound. Such a musical experience. Exactly what these cars needed. Now, we've never showcased what a base R8, this is a non-plus car. We've never shown what a base R8 sounds like with bone stock software, everything bone stock. This car is completely stock. Besides, it has the F1 catback. It's got the factory headers, it's got the factory catalytic converters, everything's factory. What we wanted to show in this video is how one exhaust modification can really transform your experience. Whether you want to go crazy, kind of like I did with the D-cats with the factory headers on my Audi R8 Spider, or you just want to have your bone stock R8, whether it's a plus or a base, and get all that really high quality true F1 sound, this is how you do it. Just a catback, and we're going to show you guys the sound characteristics in this video. Startup, revs, got the airstrip today because we're going to do some flybys for you. Get that howl. Even though the car is not as loud as it is with the D-cats, you really get that music. I'm psyched to show you guys. Let's get to it. Okay, so as we get the Audi here warmed up, first things first, the oil sensor for the level is bad. We checked the oil, it's fine, but so if you see the big red, stop immediately, just know that it's a sensor issue and not the fact that the car is going to explode. Second thing is, the nice thing about this system is because of the way we've designed it to have the reduction sections at the end, driving around, look at this, we're 1200 RPM. This is basically a straight piped R8 like you would have on your other dumps or other exhaust systems. There's no drone. which is really, really nice, because being able to enjoy this experience at low RPMs, 40 miles an hour, we're in 7th gear, it really ensures that you have a good amount of flexibility and you don't get any of that unwanted, like, just rawness in the cabin at low speeds, which quite honestly can be very, very irritating in these cars. These cars do get very bassy and very droney when they have the wrong exhaust setup on them. So that's the setup. The car, we're gonna get it warmed up here properly, and then we'll be able to tack it out to the red line. Again, this car is bone stock. There's no software on the car, and we figured we'd showcase it in a bone stock setup just if you wanted to bolt on the catback and get that sound. So we'll catch up with you guys here in a little bit on some more open roads and showcase what we've only been using 1200 RPM. We'll show you what the rest of the 7,300 RPM rev range has to show, and we'll bring it all the way up to that 8,500 RPM red line. So stay tuned. And that, everybody, is how a simple catback can really transform the Audi R8 experience. Now, we know how special these cars are. They offer a great reliability, an incredible driving experience, and really a car that you could use every day. And the owner of this vehicle does just that. The owner of this vehicle is someone very special to us. Alex has been part of the Valvetronic family for a while. He had the Kith G80 a while ago and then traded it for this car. When I had him drive my R8 Spider for the original shoot that we did to showcase these exhaust systems. When we had the Evo and we had the LP610, he has been wanting to have this exhaust configuration for so long, but wanted to have it with the stock cats so that he could pass inspection, everything be OEM, no tune, no software, just have that experience. And he drives the car every day. No drone, no unwanted frequencies, have that incredible sound, no compromises whatsoever. And that really is the Valvetronic true F1 experience. Give you all the positives and no downside. Thanks everyone for all your enthusiasm for this platform. We're stoked to be able to offer the best exhaust configuration for these cars, bar none. Our hats go off to Secret Weapon Fab. They may have pioneered this idea first, but Valvetronic Designs bringing it to you in catback form is how we do it. Check us out at valvetronic.com. You can grab one of these systems. We're building them here in-house in Pennsylvania. Grab yourself the best exhaust system for these cars, transform that V10, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.